Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. It is the other host, Jack, and today I am bringing you a keto broccoli salad. Not really my thing. I'm not a big fan of broccoli, but hey, this isn't always about what we want. It's about what other people out there want. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to make this. It should be really simple. In fact, you might get a bonus video tomorrow or the day after, because there's supposed to be like a ranch side or some sort of seasoning side that goes with it that I didn't have the ingredients to make. So you might see a really short bonus video tomorrow or the day after, if I can get what I need. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, yeah, so as I mentioned in the intro, this is actually some pretty easy stuff. Not a lot going on. In fact, very little actual cooking. It's mainly just mixing. So let's go ahead and start off. We got broccoli. Be sure to wash it. I'm going to use it all. I have a red onion. I'm only going to use about half a cup's worth. So bacon, I'm going to use the whole pack. Got some cheddar cheese over here, mild. And for protein, we have chopped pecans and chopped walnuts. As I mentioned earlier, there's supposed to be like, oh god, what the hell is this? There's supposed to be a dressing on the side, but I didn't have the stuff to make it, so you'll see that later. Okay, so normally I would suggest starting your bacon and getting that going first, but because I'm doing a live recording, I don't want oil popping in the background, so we're going to start with cutting up our vegetables first. So as I mentioned earlier, we need half a cup of onion. I already cut it somewhat. And we're going to use the entire thing of little trees or broccoli. Alright, so let's go ahead and start cutting that up. Oh god, my eyes. There's no ventilation right now. I have the air turned off because it's noise. Oh my god. My eyes. Okay, so yeah, end result. Here's our half cup of onion. It might actually be a little bit more than that, but that's fine. I'm not too specific on it, nor do I care all that much. Now, time for the trees. Obviously, we can't leave them whole like this. Let's go ahead and snap them off. Now, the stem, you don't need it. You can get rid of it. Unless, of course, you're really into broccoli stems. Hold on to it, I guess. So now we need to cut these into small-ish pieces, kind of like if you were going to do a stir fry. So maybe something like that. Tiny pieces. You have to bear with me. I'm not very good at cutting broccoli. I never mess with this stuff. Alright, our broccoli's chopped. Our onions are... Oh god, I forgot a nice piece of broccoli. Hold up. Okay, our broccoli is chopped. Our onions are chopped. Next, just put it in a bowl. And let's go ahead and get started on the bacon. Okay, so I just transferred about 12 ounces of bacon to our cast iron skillet. This one in particularly needs to get seasoned, so bacon is a great opportunity to do that. We're going to go ahead and cook it till it's crispy. Well, just before crispy. I don't want it to be rock hard bacon. Still want it to be somewhat malleable. So let's go ahead and start cooking. Okay, since I'm using the unseasoned skillet, I gotta make sure I move the bacon around a little bit because it will stick if I leave it in one spot. Which is very unfortunate. Even with all the extra grease that comes from the bacon and the oil I put in this ahead of time to get it ready, it can still do it. So make sure to keep your cast iron seasoned, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and check on our bacon. It's starting to turn a nice brown color, but it's still too wibbly wobbly. Let's go ahead and give it a couple more minutes. I'll turn the heat back up. And we'll check on it in a little bit. Alright, the bacon is about where I want it. It's got a nice golden brown color. It's still soft. Probably softer than it needs to be, but that's perfect. I don't want it crunchy. As I said, I wanted it like the stage before crunchy. This is probably about 2 stages before that. That'll work fine though. Alright, so we're going to take it out, put it on a plate, let it cool off, and then we're going to chop it. I could have chopped it when it was raw, but I really don't like touching raw meat. So let's go ahead and get into the next step. Okay, so yeah, next up, chopping the bacon. We want bite-sized pieces. You can make it smaller if you want. I went ahead and put it on a paper plate with the paper towel, absorb some of the excess grease. I don't want to have a heart attack. Just gonna dump it out on our cutting board and get to chopping. Okay, it's still a little hot. Apparently I didn't let it cool off long enough. This is a lot easier to chop than I was expecting. It's a lot easier than chopping it when it's raw. When it's raw, it's all stringy and crap. Okay, so a little bit more chopped than that. About this. This is what we want. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, so our bacon's chopped. Now we're on to the final step, adding everything to our salad bowl. Let's get to that. Okay, so yeah, I thought I was recording, so I mixed everything off camera, so oops. Anyway, I could not find our salad bowl. It's missing, so I had to use a mixing bowl instead. Just add everything to it. Add your broccoli, your cup of cheese, your half cup of chopped pecans, and your half cup of chopped walnuts. Your, did I say cup of cheese? Yeah, cup of cheese, your bacon, your broccoli, and your onions. I just add it all and mix it really well. It's not mixed. Everything's kind of separated in here still. But there was supposed to be like a dressing that goes with this. One of the main ingredients was sour cream. I thought I had sour cream. Apparently I didn't. So I'm going to have to make that tomorrow. It'll be a really short video. Probably maybe not even 2 minutes long. But we'll get to that when we get there. Alright, so let's go ahead and make a bowl. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much all it is. It's really easy to make. It doesn't take long. 20 minutes maximum. Well, I mean, it depends on how long you take to cook your bacon, really. Now for seasonings, we didn't really go into seasonings here, but you can kind of just get creative with it. I'm going to add some cayenne pepper whenever I dig into this because I love that stuff. I have a problem. I need help. So yeah, I've tried it off camera. It's pretty good. I hate bacon. No, I hate it. Ugh, I can't believe I said that. I love bacon. I hate broccoli. I really do not like broccoli, but I can tolerate raw broccoli, but as soon as you cook it, it goes immediately in the trash. And so yeah, there you have it. The keto broccoli salad. Really easy stuff. I'm sure you could probably add more ingredients to it that you wanted to. This is what it said, so I went with it. Other than adding maybe the seasoning or two, yeah, it's pretty much. Ooh, garlic could probably go really good in there as well. Maybe even minced garlic. That's for another time. So yeah, thanks for watching. You can catch us here Tuesdays and Fridays. Maybe sometimes you're in the middle of the week when you have a little bonus video that might be coming. I'm not sure yet. We have merch on the way. We actually have some new stuff. I don't remember what we ordered, but it'll be here on the 23rd. The link is down in the description to our little shop. Currently, all we have right now is aprons, and I don't really know how many we have left. So you might be running out of time if you want one of those. If you want to know what it looks like, check out one of the other videos with Oz. I believe he wears it, maybe? I don't remember. It's been a while. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll hope to see you next time.